Magic Makers! Are you ready for a new 5-minute quickie? I hope so. We're going to jump into it. We're going to do 5 minutes of 4 different exercises, and we're going to do about 5 to 10 reps of each thing. So I'll be walking you through it. I'll do the whole thing with you for 5 minutes. And before we jump into it, since this is November and we're focusing on gratitude, we're going to be thinking about one thing that we're grateful for, setting that intention before we get into this workout, so that if we ever get distracted, if we ever want to give up, we just come back to that one thing. So that's what I want you to focus on this month, is picking one thing you're grateful for before we start the workout. And one phrase you can think of today is that I choose to be grateful. So that you're choosing to find something that you're grateful for and finding that intention before we get into it. It could even be something that you see around you in the living room, right? Or wherever, I'm in the living room, or wherever you are in your workout space. If you see a lamp you really like, or this is one of my favorite chairs. I'm so glad we got these dining room set that's like this from Scandinavia. I love it, so that's something I can see and be like, that object just triggers me. It's not that I'm super focused on the object, but just the sense of gratitude. I hope that makes sense. All right, you guys, I'm going to set my timer, 5 minutes. We're going to get started with burpees. I'm going to show you some options, of course, to modify. Let's do this. All right, so come on down, squat. You can step or jump back, jump in, and jump up. No push-up. Out, in, and jump up. You can step if you need to, and then bring it back in, and just stand if that's better for you. So step out, step in, and stand, or add a jump if you can. Last one, so we're doing 5 of those, and we're going straight into curtsy lunges with a kick and up. So if you need to take the kick out, you just curtsy back and tap. Curtsy back and tap. We're going for 10. Add that kick if you can. That's 4. We're going to switch sides after 10. Good. Core control here. 8. 2 more. Really burning out the thighs. Whoop. And the glutes. Good. Switch it up. Curtsy back. Kick it up. The side might be a little bit more unsteady for me. Whew. Already getting a little breathless. That's good. We want to go fast and furious on these 5-minute quickies. Good. 2 more. And last one. Helps to keep those arms out for some balance, like you're surfing. Tricep steps. I'm going to show you with the chair, and an option without the chair as well. There's that siren, you guys. Always a siren on my videos. Okay, legs straight if you can. Hands on the edge of the chair, couch, whatever you have. Then you can go down and up. If you need to, we're going to do 10 total. Bend the knees to make it a little bit easier. Good, that's 4, 5. Without the chair, without something in, you can come into a reverse tabletop. Come up, fingers point towards you. Hips up, not like you're all the way up, but just a little bit up. And then bend down and straighten. Down and straighten. Good. Last 2. Last 1. Get that heart rate up. Now again, we're going to take it up a little bit more. That one lets you catch your breath a bit. All right. Reverse lunge to a knee drive. I like to alternate the arms here to help get some balance. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. Go as quickly as you can with good form. Good. 1 more this side. Big jump and switch. Okay, start back. You can take the jump out if you need to and drive up with the core. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. Jump if you can. Good. Okay, burpees. Jump right into it. Do as many as you can in this 5 minutes. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, if you can go longer, Go for it. Whew. If you can go for 10 minutes, hit replay and do it again. Oops. You can probably hear me breathing. And switch. 1 minute to go, you guys. Hang in there. Get the whole body moving. All right, I'm just gonna do on the floor. Keep it easier. Here we go, dip it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30 seconds. Catch your breath on those. All right, come on, let's see how many we can do of the reverse lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch it up. Oh, good job. Almost got through 2 rounds. Maybe if you weren't talking like me, you could have gone a little bit faster. So grab water, catch your breath, check back in. What are you grateful for? What are you choosing to be grateful for today, in this moment, for this workout? All right, you guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Do this again if you can. Go for 5 more minutes. Do 10 minutes total, 15 minutes. You can do this up to 20 minutes. All right, I'll see you again soon. Bye.